Hi, this is video number 57. It's a cold morning today. Tomorrow I'll have 5 weeks in after having a total stemless shoulder replacement. I can't show you that right now because I'm cold. It's chilly out here this morning. The sun hasn't broken through and I don't think it will today. I think we're supposed to get a little rain this afternoon or this evening and into tomorrow. And this crazy weather we're having out here, climate change, I guess. So that's all I really have for today. I don't have a whole lot. Yesterday we did tamales, but I didn't show you one after I made them. I just showed you them wrapped up. So today I'll show you one, have one with my lunch, and I'll do a quick picture of unwrapping one of my tamales I made yesterday in the Instapot. And maybe in a future video I'll do a whole thing, another thing on the tamale deal. And we're going to look at the pollywogs and tadpoles in both the reservoir and the pond. And I don't know what else I'm going to find to put in today. It may be a short one, it may not, I don't know. I'm still playing around with my editing. So thanks for watching so far, and that's it for this clip. Yeah, I kind of feel like they do today. I don't feel like being too active because it's cold. And these little guys this time yesterday were just swimming all around, munching around on the edge. And they're not doing anything this morning because it is a little chilly out here. Temperature change and swings here are incredible. So when the sun comes up, those little black bodies get a lot of energy and they just swim like crazy. Well, right now, they're all just hoping the sun comes out. And so do I. Supersonic solar gopher repellent. This is an update. So far, there are no extra holes anywhere in here. I can't find any other gopher holes, so they might be working. I'm going to end the video here with Sky and I taking a hike down to the pond. I'm going to look at the pollywog tadpoles down there. I was going to put the GoPro on, but it's just such a dreary day out here. I think that the video wouldn't come out so good. When I get back, I'll edit these videos, and then I'll put together a montage of the total tamale recipe. I think you might find it interesting. It's really a simple, easy tamale recipe, and at the price of those in the store, oh my goodness sakes, it's really economically the way to go. So we're off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Woo. 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 There are still 6 man roots up there. Actually, I found another one. There are 7 man root fruit or pods, and the one hanging low. There's swoosh, and I am hearing somebody picking in here. Hello, Juan. I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm picking Cherimoya. You see, nice Cherimoya.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Yeah, it's a big one. It's like a pound. The weight is like a pound.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
There are a lot here, and out here in California, these are a delicacy. Thanks for showing us the Cherimoya, Juan.
Okay.
Do you think it's too cold for her to go swimming today? I put just about 2 cups of warm water in that mixture of olive oil and regular canola oil and mix that all up, and this is the consistency that I was looking for right there. So this is what that looks like. And to test it, I rolled it out on a piece of parchment paper and then just made sure that it didn't stick.